Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Jack. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon because we share fun English conversations every week.
Today, we're talking about a topic that everyone needs to know: how to introduce yourself in English.
Yes, we're going to show you a real, natural conversation where we introduce ourselves to each other. And along the way, we'll give you useful phrases and tips to make your introduction sound friendly and confident.
We also want you to participate. When we ask a question, answer it in the comments or speak out loud with us.
Ready, Emily?
Totally ready? Let's start. Hi there. It's nice to meet you. My name is Emily.
Hi, Emily. Nice to meet you too. I'm Jack.
Jack? That's a nice name. So, where are you from?
Thank you, Emily. I'm originally from Canada. What about you?
I'm from Australia.
Oh, that's cool. I've always wanted to visit Australia.
And I've always wanted to see Canada. Maybe one day we'll exchange trips.
That would be great. So, Emily, what do you do? Do you work or study?
I work. I'm a graphic designer. I design logos, posters, and websites for companies.
That sounds creative. Do you enjoy your job?
I love it. I get to use my imagination every day. What about you?
I'm a student. I'm studying computer science at university.
Oh, wow. That sounds interesting. Do you like coding?
Yes, I enjoy it. It can be challenging sometimes, but it's fun to build things from scratch.
That's awesome. So you'll be creating apps and websites in the future, right?
Exactly. That's the plan. So, our audiences tell us, are you working or studying right now?
Write in the comments, I work as a, then your job title, or I'm studying, then your subject. So, Jack, what do you usually do in your free time?
In my free time, I like playing the guitar and watching movies.
Wow. You play the guitar.
Yes, Emily.
That's amazing. How long have you been playing?
For about 5 years now. What about you? What are your hobbies?
I love reading books, especially mystery novels, and I also enjoy cooking new recipes.
Oh, that sounds fun. What's your favorite dish to cook?
And probably pasta. I make amazing pasta with homemade sauce.
I need to try that one day.
Sure. And what about you? Do you like cooking?
Honestly, I'm not the best cook, but I can make good scrambled eggs.
Hey, that's a start.
Emily, I want to ask my audiences, what phrases did they learn in above conversation before pass to the next?
That's interested, Jack. Go ahead.
Our audiences, what types of phrases did you learn from the above?
If you said, in my free time, I like, my hobbies are.
And also if you say I enjoy activity. And how long have you been doing activity? You are correct.
So, Jack, what about we talk next about personality?
That's interested to me, Emily. How would you describe yourself in 3 words?
Good question. I'd say friendly, creative, and organized. What about you?
I'd say curious, patient, and a little funny.
A little funny? You're being modest.
Well, I try.
Jack, tell me a little about your family.
Sure. My family is small. I have my parents and one younger sister. She's in high school. What about you?
My family is a little bigger. I have my parents, 2 brothers, and 1 sister. We're very close.
That's nice. Do you all live together?
No, I live on my own now, but we talk every day.
Emily, what are your future goals?
Great question. My goal is to open my own design studio in the future. I want to create a brand that helps small businesses.
That's a great goal. I'd like to work in a big tech company and maybe start my own app one day.
Sounds amazing.
Let's make this interesting. Emily, tell me one fun fact about you.
I can touch my nose with my tongue.
Really? That's impressive.
What about you, Jack?
I can whistle like a bird.
No way. You have to show me later.
Now let's talk about favorite food and drink, Emily.
That's very interesting topic to me, Jack.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. What about you, Jack?
I love sushi and I can eat it every day.
So, do you have friends here yet? Or are you still getting to know people?
I've met a few people from my university, but I'm always happy to make new friends.
I know how that feels. My best friend moved to Canada last year, so I've been trying to meet new people too. Actually, some of my friends from college are coming to a cafe downtown this weekend. Would you like to join?
That sounds really nice. I'd love to.
Great. Well, it was really nice talking to you.
You too, Emily. Looking forward to the weekend.
So today, we learned how to introduce ourselves, talk about hobbies, family, and even share fun facts.
Yes, and we gave you lots of useful phrases. Here's a quick review. Hi, nice to meet you. My name is, I'm from. I work as a, or I'm studying. In my free time, I like.
Now it's your turn. Write your self-introduction in the comments.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more conversations like this.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.